All right. Hey y'all, it's American Mom, and I am watching episode 9 right now. I want to finish this by tomorrow. Last episode was really, really good. I mean, a lot of it was the wedding. I broke it up into 2 parts because I really wanted to show like a lot from the wedding and from Dany's thing. Her meeting those men. I think, anyway. And then I wanted to, in the second part, show like almost all of Sam and Jilly's and the little baby's escape from the White Walker. So now we know that the dragon glass can shatter those puppies. So we need more of that. We need more dragon glass, and he needs to get to John and the others so that they know what does it. I think he has more, or maybe you can still keep using it. Yeah, it was still there. I don't know. You could probably just use it over and over. But anyway, I'm excited. This was it's getting good. It's getting to the finale. Not the finale, but for the season's going to wrap up soon. So expect the unexpected, right? All right, it's starting right now. Let's go. Let's do this.
Show them how it feels to lose what they love.
Starks. House Stark. Number 1. Be clear on that.
I have come to make my apologies, my lord, and to beg your forgiveness.
Don't beg my forgiveness, Your Grace. It wasn't me who spurned, it was my girls.
I don't know. Do we get to see which one got chosen?
My granddaughter Freya, my granddaughter Wertha, Walra, Waldina.
I'm married.
Fine. And here, we'll set up tents outside with food and ale for the rest of your men.
Thank you, my lord.
Well, let's get ready. The wine will flow red, and the music will play loud, and we'll put this mess behind us.
Jor, you keep your eye on him. I don't know him well enough yet. Oh.
There. It's a back gate. My men use it when they visit Yunkai's bed slaves.
Your men, but not you.
I have no interest in slaves. A man cannot make love to property.
Oh, he's singing her song.
This is where we enter the city. Very few guards, they know me.
If we are truly her loyal servants, we'll do whatever needs to be done. No matter the cost, no matter our pride.
Where are the dragons?
We're west of Castle Black, but the Night Fort's closest to us.
Flame, you're a
It was the
hero.
first castle on the wall.
You know all that from staring at marks on paper?
Yes.
You're like a wizard.
He always wanted to be a wizard. Remember? Love Sam. Here it is.
Remember what happens to children who run. I'm your father, and I'll do the talking.
Yes, Father. Alright, don't be stubborn now.
Roads have gone right to hell, haven't they?
Please don't.
But remember when Jamie and Bree let
very
that
kind.
guy go, and then he
Someday
turned them
it'll
in?
get you killed.
Yeah. Oh, there's another dragon. John's gonna try and do something so that the old man doesn't die. And then he's going to be on the run. And Ygritte's going to be stuck in the middle. Does she stick with Jon or just stick with the wildlings? And they're going to be on their own. That's my prediction. What do you see, Arya? Oh, there's the phrase, place in the bridge.
Don't worry, they're still there.
I know they're still there.
You check every 5 minutes like you're afraid they're gonna move.
I'm not afraid.
Of course you are. You're almost there. And you're afraid you won't make it.
Yes,
The closer
you
you
are.
get, the worse the fear gets. No point in trying to hide behind that face. I know fear when I see it. Closest you've been to family since ill and pain snipped your daddy's neck.
Someday, I'm gonna put a sword through your eye and out the back of your skull.
Okay. Arya. What's wrong with both of them?
You're a Warg, Bran. It's in your blood.
I can't.
You
Just
just
did with him. Wolf is nothing compared to that.
He's a crow. He'll always be a crow. And here's his crow wife guarding him. He'll stab us in the back first chance he gets.
Kill him!
No. That would hurt my eyes. Oh, he's having a wall. Talking to the wall. He's becoming a wall. Okay. Yes.
You were right the whole time.
Oops. No. This is a trap. I don't trust the new guy just yet.
That one was quick.
Okay.
There may be others.
I doubt it. The Junkers prefer to let their slaves do their fighting for them.
Okay, was he surprised or did he know this? Wow. Really?
That's what you call a few guards.
Lord Edmure, I hope I'm not a disappointment to you.
Oh my. Was not expecting that.
You're a delight to me, my lady.
Oh.
You were right. I can get inside Summer's mind whenever I want.
Of course you can. North of the wall, there are wildings who can control all sorts of animals. But you did a lot more than that. You got inside Hodor's mind.
I can't do that north of the wall.
No one can do that. Anyway.
I'm coming with you.
Aww.
I'm your brother. I have to protect you.
He's protecting you, Rick.
Right now, I have to protect you. Rob's at war, and
We've
I'm going
lost so
beyond the wall.
much. Don't cry.
If something happens to us, you're the heir to Winterfell.
Mm.
Will you know how to find the last hearth?
You Southerners build your big castles and you never move. You're easy to find.
We're not Southerns. I don't want to leave you.
Come here, little soldier. You and me, we're gonna have some adventures.
You don't have to do any of this.
Your family took me in and was good to me when they had no cause to be. Shh. We'll be fine, you and me. The Umbers are great warriors. Even I heard about them growing up. They'll teach you how to swing a sword.
I know how to swing a sword.
Just wants his family. Someone else in his family. Now everyone's...
You're leaving now? It's the middle of the night.
I'll learn to walk in darkness.
Wow, all of a sudden.
Say goodbye, little man. Keep this one safe. He means the world to me.
And Dario Naharis?
How did he not survive? Oh.
The city is yours, my queen.
Cool.